Is anyone there? Leo, talk to me. Where are you? I'm scared. It hurts. Please. I'm stuck. It's okay. I'm gonna get you out of there. Just stay still. Don't move. It hurts. I know. Be quiet.
Knowledge is leverage, a principle. I knew the theory.
Now! Pull your leg out! Now!
Are we going to die here? No.
The city was dead. But the paper remembered everything.
What are you looking for? A way out.
How do I get us there?
You found him. You found him. He's one of ours. He went missing 2 days ago. Wait. What's your name?
Anna. We need a teacher, Anna. Someone who knows things.
I spent my life collecting the past. But a future is built.